I'm really pleased to be here at the Osteology Consensus Conference. I'm here as my role as Editor-in-Chief of Clinical Oral Implants Research, the top implant journal. And I'm very excited to have the opportunity to publish the proceedings of this consensus conference in our journal. Today we have a very full day. We have discussions based on the 4 systematic reviews which have been prepared for this consensus conference. And the topic is a really important one. These reviews are based on the maintenance of peri-implant health and the influences factors such as augmentation have on peri-implant health. So the findings are going to be really important for clinicians and researchers. At the end of today, the groups will have come up with some very sound clinical recommendations for practitioners. So this will really be able to be used in everyday practice with guidelines based on the best available evidence. And of course there are some questions which cannot yet be answered, and so the groups will also bring forward the important questions for further research for the future. So I think everyone is going to really be very interested to read the proceedings. They will be published in the journal Clinical Oral Implants Research and also on the Osteology website. So I hope this has made you excited and curious about reading these proceedings, and they should be available in early 2018.